Hey you guys, it's Amber here from The Stellar Guitarist, and I've got another awesome video for you today. We are going to be learning a Harry Styles number, Late Night Talking. So as you can probably tell, I've been on a bit of a Harry Styles train at the moment, and if you haven't yet watched, then please go check out my other YouTube tutorials for Watermelon Sugar and for As It Was. So for Late Night Talking, we need to start with our capo on the 3rd fret. The chords used in the song are E minor, A minor 7, D major, G major, and my easy B7. So the first thing we're going to be learning today is the introduction of the song. It's going to be 2 chords strummed with a palm mute in between each of those chords. So for example, the E minor, you're going to strum, mute, strum, mute. It's quite a quick motion. Then we're going to go to A minor 7, to D, then 1 strum on G, and 1 strum on B7. To D, 1 strum on G, and B7. Right, going into the verse, I've decided to strip this down and make this one really simple and easy. So what we're going to be doing is 4 strums on E minor, and we're going to count it 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, with a palm mute in between. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Change to A minor 7. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and D. Then only 1 round on G. And then 1 round on B7. So moving on to the pre-chorus, we're going to incorporate a strumming pattern here, and the chords change a little bit. The chords in the pre-chorus are A minor 7 to G, and you repeat that twice. With the strumming pattern, the pattern sounds like this. Down, mute, up, mute, up. Then moving to the G, down, mute, up, mute, up. Right, moving on to the chorus of the song, we are going to be using the chords A minor 7, E minor, A minor 7 to G. And the strumming pattern that we're going to utilize here is the same strumming pattern from the pre-chorus. Down, up, down, mute, up. Been quite the same. There's a haze on the horizon, baby. It's only been a couple of days and I miss you. Oh, nothing really goes to plan. Stepping to break your camera. I do everything I can to help you through. If you're feeling Alright you guys, thanks so much for sticking around and watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I hope that you will be subscribing and liking this video so that you are notified when more videos like this are released. Drop down in the comments below and say hi, or let me know what songs you'd like me to do more covers and more tutorials of, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye!